Hi everyone. Okay, this video is how to download the print driver for the Huntington Beach office upstairs or downstairs location and for the Orange office. So first what you're going to do is you're going to type in Konica and Minolta drivers into your Google window, click on or hit enter. You'll come up with this screen. What we're looking for is the onyxweb.myconicaminolta.com link. You'll click there. It's going to take you to this screen. On this left section here where it says quick search, we're going to hit the drop down, select product category. The next drop down button, we're going to click color multifunction printers. Then we're going to select the printer that we're looking for. And in this case, we are looking for the 364E printer. And this video is for the Mac computers only. Mac computers only. If you have a PC desktop or laptop, that will be a different video. So we're going to click on drivers here. Finally, the window comes up. What you're going to need to figure out here is which Mac computer system you're operating off of. So to do that, you're going to click on the Apple in the upper left-hand corner. Click on About This Mac. This will come up, and what you're looking for is the version. So the version is 10.13.6. We'll close that out. We're going to go down here to 10.13. Open that window up. And we're going to click on the very top link, zip file. You'll see it downloading in the upper right hand corner. So we're going to click here. We're going to select it. We're going to click here. Click on continue. Agree. Install. It's going to ask you to log in. Click install. It begins installing. Okay, we move it to trash. Open up your window again. Bring that back up. Oh, actually, I guess we don't need that any longer. So now we're going to open up your system preferences. We're going to add the printer now. We're going to select the plus button. And what we're going to do here is we're going to type in the IP address of the printer. So we're going to click there, and the IP address for this particular printer is 192.168.254.40. And this is connecting directly via Wi-Fi. We'll give it a different name, so we'll say Terrasol upstairs for this particular, and that's because I'm doing this from upstairs. Drop down menu, we're going to select the software. Do not select generic on either one of these. If you do that, you're not going to download the proper driver. You're going to scroll through this list that pops up here, and we're looking for the 364 right there. We're going to select that, and we're going to hit add. Actually, let's name this one test, so I know which one to delete. Okay, from here, paper source, we're just going to go ahead and select any one of those three would be fine. Finisher, any one of those would be fine as well. It's going to download it, and we see that it's listed here. Now, in order to properly set your printer to print, you actually need to open up a document. So let's open up a document here. Let's go with, let's see here, 30-day notice. And I want to print that up. So while we have a document open, any document whatsoever, you're going to click on File, click on Print. The print screen is going to come up. And what we're looking for is, if you open up your window and it looks like this, then you want to click on Show Details, because that's where we need to get to input your print code. From here, you're going to select this drop-down button where it says Preview. And what we're looking for specifically on the Macs is Output Method. So you're going to click there. And this is where you're going to input your print code. So select Account Track. That screen is going to pop up. You don't put anything in department name, but you will put your print code here. So in this case, my print code, we're going to click on Save the Settings so that this stays in the system. And we're also going to select a couple of other things here. We want to make sure we select the layout. When you click that, you're going to see where it says two-sided. Two-sided means it's printing on front and back, and a lot of people don't like doing that, so just click there. We're going to select one-sided. Then we're going to go back up to the drop-down menu, and we're going to select on Quality. Quality is going to select either auto color or grayscale. If you want your primary setting to be grayscale, you select grayscale. If you want to be able to select grayscale whenever you choose, then just leave it on the full color. But if you just want to make sure that all your print jobs are selected for grayscale, go ahead and select that. And then this way you're not being charged for printing in color on accident. And then you can just select color copies later on. So for all these, you want to make sure you save the settings. So the settings are everything that you've set here. Once we made all those changes, we want to come up here and save current settings as a preset. You'll give it a name and just say Terrasol. And then those are all locked in now. So then you click here to print and go check your print job, and everything should be there. If for some reason you ever come into the office and all of a sudden it is no longer printing, and you go to the printer and it says that it's giving you an error, it means that the computer is connecting to the printer. It's just not allowing it to process your print job, because what you'll need to do is go back up here, open up a print job, like we did here where we were selecting this document to print. And what you're going to do is you're going to go back up here, and you're going to go back into Output Method again. And even though your print code is still going to show up already in the system, when you click on Detail Settings, you click on the Account Track, and even though you'll see your print code there, retype it in, so clear this out, just like that. Type it back in there again, and it's going to re-communicate with the printer and allow your print job to go through. Alright, so if you have any questions or difficulties, give myself, Leo Betancourt, a call or contact Ron Pasquale. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon.